Question number 15. So for question 15, we have a compound pulley system in which we have a point P which is being moved downwards by 24 centimeters. Now when that happens, this rope also has to shorten by 24 centimeters. But because of the pulley in the middle, this movable pulley, let's call it pulley B, this entire rope is going to be shortened by 24 centimeters. But because of this pulley, each side is going to shorten by 12 centimeters. Right? And that's because the total rope has to shorten by 24 centimeters. So if 12 centimeters is reduced on both sides, then that adds up to a total of 24 centimeters being reduced from the length of this rope. And when both ropes shorten by 12 centimeters each, the pulley B is going to move upwards by a total of 12 centimeters. Now the same case is with the pulley Q. When pulley B moves up by 12 centimeters, both sides of pulley Q are going to shorten by 6 centimeters each. Right? So 6 centimeters being reduced on both sides of pulley Q. 6 plus 6 makes it 12 centimeters of rope moving up on this side in total. Right? And when that happens, pulley Q is going to move up by a total of 6 centimeters as well. And hence my answer is D. Now let's watch an animation and hopefully that should make it clearer. Right? So you can ignore the force. I found this animation online. So according to this, when this bar moves down by any distance, in this case we have 24 centimeters. So when this bar moves down by 24, this weight is going to move up by 12. Because when this rope moves down by 24 centimeters, both of these ropes are going to shorten by 12 each. And this weight is going to move up by 12. Now let's look at this formula. The distance S1, that's 24 here, is 2 times the distance S2. And that's 2 times 12. And so that proves our working in this question. So let me show you this working again, this animation again. This moves down and that moves up by half the distance. Hope this works for you as well. Hope it helps. Thank you for watching.